For small birds, nesting presents a world of hazards. A typical stick basket nest holds eggs, but otherwise provides little protection, especially against predators. The majority of nests end in failure. Perhaps to improve their odds, a significant number of birds nest in natural cavities. These include woodpeckers, of course, and some species of ducks and owls. And there are lots of small birds, ranging from chickadees and wrens to swallows and bluebirds that also nest in cavities, or as the case may be today, nest boxes. Even in nest boxes, security is far from guaranteed. Predators reach inside and grab what they can. Eggs, young, and females trapped there perish in very large numbers every spring and summer. 2 decades ago, Patricia Reynolds, a Chicago naturalist, became distraught when she watched the blue jays snatch baby chickadees from their nest box. Using wood and tape, she put together a makeshift extended protective opening. Parent birds could now get in and out of the nest box, but the bigger blue jays could not. Nor could crows, raccoons, cats, squirrels, or opossums. Patricia refined that clever, successful guard into a practical, economical device she calls the Bird Guardian. This patented product, tested and approved by naturalists and birds alike, is constructed of strong, durable plastic that protects nests year after year from both ground and airborne attacks. Patricia also created the Natural Bird Guardian, which looks like an old, well-seasoned broken limb. It provides the same virtually indestructible fortress-like protection of the earlier design, plus its flared base nicely covers entrances damaged by woodpeckers or squirrels. When possible, put bird guardians on nest boxes before nesting season starts. Installation is easy. The original Bird Guardian has 3 screws. The Natural Bird Guardian, 4. Most nest boxes are made of soft wood that requires no pre-drilling. When the Bird Guardian is first installed, many birds, like chickadees, may be momentarily curious about the device, then move right in. Little do they realize this can be a life-saving decision. Other birds, including bluebirds, may see things a little differently. They tend to be warier than chickadees of changes. But the Bird Guardian doesn't move or make noise, so eventually suspicion and fear become acceptance. The Bird Guardian can help protect almost any small box nesting species, including tree swallows and wrens. The house wren, a tiny little bird with a big voice and an even larger dose of energy and persistence, can fill a house with sticks in just days, even with a few challenges along the way. Once the Bird Guardian is on, leave it there year-round. Many birds roost at night in nest boxes, and a Bird Guardian continues to provide all-season protection. Bird Guardians have been approved by the Humane Society, the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds in England, and naturalists everywhere. They have been featured on the Today Show, Home and Garden TV, Women's World magazine, and newspapers around the nation. The Natural Bird Guardian was also voted the best new product of Birdwatch America 2007. And for as far as we can see into the future, birds will continue to sing its praise as well. The Bird Guardian, or the new Natural Bird Guardian, for the love of birds.